Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best flux core wire sizes in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Forney 42300 Flux Core MIG Wire. Forney is a highly popular brand of welding products since most of its offerings perform quite well, especially for the given price tag, which is also true for its flux core wire options. The Forney 42300 Flux Core Wire is present in the first position in this list since it offers an excellent value for money as it is one of the strongest options in its class. Taking a look at its specifications, this flux core wire comes in a 2-pound spool, which is quite good. But the best thing about this flux core wire is that it offers a wire diameter of 0.030 inch, similar to premium options. Number 2. Our second best pick is Blue Demon E71 TGS Flux Core Welding Wire. Similar to the previous offering from Forney, Blue Demon and its welding products are also quite affordable, making them a great entry-level option if you want to try out different flux core wires. Blue Demon's E71 TGS Flux Core Wire is present in the second position in this listicle, as this can be a great budget-friendly option for many. Even for the given price tag, this flux core wire still comes with a spool weight of 2 pounds, which should be plenty for most users. Unlike most other budget-oriented options, this flux core wire has a wire diameter of 0.030 inch. Number 3. Our third best pick is YESWELDER Flux Core Gasless MIG Wire. YESWELDER has been offering all kinds of welding products and related accessories like flux core wires, where most of its products are quite practical and offer great build quality. This YESWELDER E71 TGS Flux Core Wire is present in the third position in this article because this is one of the strongest options out there, especially at the given price tag. Starting with the total amount of flux core wire that you get, this flux core wire comes as a 2-pound spool. And since this flux core wire has a wire diameter of 0.030 inch, you can expect it to be quite strong. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is INETUB BA71 TGS Flux Core Welding Wire. INETUB is a highly reputable brand of welding products, especially when you are talking about flux core wires, since almost all of its offerings are highly durable and strong. The INETUB BA71 TGS Flux Core Wire is the strongest wire given in this list when you are talking about making highly durable and long-lasting welds. Taking a look at its wire quantity and spool weight, this is a 2-pound flux core wire, which is on par with most other options. Another similarity that you will find between this and other flux core wires is its given wire thickness of 0.030 inch. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Lincoln Electric ED030584 MIG Welding Wire. As you can tell by its name, Lincoln Electric offers all kinds of electronics and welding products and accessories, which also includes its flux core stated here. Lincoln Electric's ED030584 Flux Core Wire is one of the best options out there in terms of the wire quality and strength. To be exact, this flux core wire has a wire thickness of 0.35 inch, which is higher and thicker than most other options out there. However, if you want something made for heavy-duty usage, then you should look elsewhere, since this one only offers a spool weight of 1 pound, which is quite less than others. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.